There is a YouTube channel that makes over $30,000 every month by boring people to sleep. No punchy jump cuts, no editing wizardry, no MrBeast level budgets. Just long, slow, calming historical storytelling that knocks people out cold. And the wildest part? The audience absolutely loves it. They're not just watching, they're begging for more. No face on camera, no expensive setup, just hours of gently narrated content. This channel has 492,000 subscribers and counting, and I cracked the entire blueprint. In this video, I'm going to show you how they're pulling in $800 plus a day on autopilot, why this boring niche is YouTube's easiest money machine, and exactly how you can recreate the whole thing in under an hour, even if you've never made a video before. Let's go. I stumbled on this channel called Sleepless Historian, and I honestly couldn't believe what I was seeing. Titles like Boring History for Sleep, What Did Cavemen Actually Do All Day and More, The Bizarre Death of Henry VIII, Tudor and more, A Day in the Life of a Concubine in Feudal Japan and more, What Beauty Standards Were Like in Medieval Times. Each video 2+ hours long, and each comment pure gratitude. We've got a comment here saying 5 days listening to this channel and I'm happily addicted. Well, it is helping me sleep. Love your voice. We've got another comment here. Somehow falling asleep to tales of medieval people tripping on moldy rye and herbal brews feels oddly comforting. Another comment here saying your channel is what I use to fall asleep to every single night. So I pulled the data using Social Blade, and what I found shocked me even more. 7.2 million views in 30 days, 147,000 subscribers gained in 30 days. Estimated earnings 15,000 to 30,000 per month. Remember, these analytic tools tend to underestimate real earnings. This is a high retention, low effort, high monetization goldmine, and the best part, it is wide open. And why does this work? Most creators chase attention. This creator chases relaxation. And here's why this niche crushes it. It is a watch time heaven because viewers leave the video running for hours. It is a high retention magic content. People aren't clicking away, they're literally sleeping through the content. It is currently a low competition niche because everyone else is making fast, loud content, but you get to do the opposite. It is an evergreen topic. History never goes out of style, and bedtime never stops being a thing. YouTube loves videos that keep viewers on platform for hours, and sleep content does just that. To achieve the same success as this channel, there are 4 steps that we need to get through. Let's get into it. Step 1, ChatGPT. We need to start with topic research, and here's the exact prompt to drop into ChatGPT. I want you to study the YouTube channel Sleepless Historian and understand the type of content they create. Based on their style, generate 5 new YouTube video topic ideas that are similar. The topics should be suitable for long-form, calming history videos meant to help viewers relax, wind down, and fall asleep. The ideas should focus on everyday life, lesser-known historical facts, and slow, detailed storytelling rather than exciting or fast-paced narrative. After generating the topic, pick one topic and write a detailed YouTube script in the same calm, soothing tone as Sleepless Historian. You go ahead to tell ChatGPT how you want it to further structure your script. Avoid high energy phrases, focus on gentle, almost meditative narrative style, and the image should match the slow, relaxing style. Click generate, and here we go. We've got sample results, a day in the life of a Roman market woman, the hidden rhythm of medieval monastic garden, how villagers made cheese in the 17th century France, everyday tools of the Edo era Japanese porter, slow seasons harvesting flax in Viking Age Scandinavia. These topics are the sweet spot. Click worthy but sleep friendly. Go ahead to save these topics because you now have a content calendar for 2 to 3 months. Next, you drop this prompt into ChatGPT to generate our script. The outline is good, but I need much more detail for 2 to 3 hour video. Please expand each chapters into a full detailed script section with 1,500 to 2,000 words per chapter. Click generate and boom, you end up with 8 to 12 chapters, 15 to 20,000 words total, enough for a 2 to 3 hours sleep video. If you feel the need to further expand the script, go ahead to do just that. Step 2, visuals. Use ChatGPT again, drop this prompt in. Perfect. Now I need more visual breakdowns. Please provide at least 5 detailed image descriptions per chapter, with each image covering 2 to 3 minutes of narration. Specify the exact watercolor wash style, muted color palette, and wide aspect ratio for each visuals. And click generate. Please feel free to explore different art styles to match the theme of your channel and help you stand out from this sleep channel that we're trying to replicate. There are different art styles that you could explore, such as watercolor wash, which gives a dreamy and soft look. We've got vintage engraving, which gives a textured, historic look. We've got classic realism, which is a museum style art. And you've got illuminated manuscripts, which gives you an ornate and medieval look. And there's so much more that you could explore. You can generate your visuals in ChatGPT, or you can generate them in Leonardo AI or any other image generator of your choice. And you just keep repeating the process until you've got all your visuals ready. Remember to always include in your prompt the aspect ratio you want your image to come out in. And then we'll move on to our step 3, voiceover. Once your visuals are locked in, head on to ElevenLabs for the voiceover. You have the options of creating a calm, slow-paced voice to make your channel stand out even more, or selecting a voice from the voice library. If you decide to create a voice, make sure to add a detailed prompt that describes your ideal voice, which is either calm, neutral tone, gentle, pacing, British or American accent if preferred. Then let it generate a few samples. Choose the one that best fits your vibe and save it. Or if you decide to select from the voice library, search and select a voice that is calm and soothing, since we want to create a sleep video. Then proceed to paste your script into studio mode. Remember to select your preferred voice and hit generate. Review the voiceover for any awkward pacing or pronunciations, and once you're happy with it, download the file. And step 4, editing. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut or any editor you prefer. Here's your editing checklist. Ensure to start by importing the image and voiceovers. Match the visuals to narration based on timing. Add a static dark screen after you have placed all your images, just like the reference channel does. This allows the video to fade into sleep while the narration winds down. And next, add subtle effects like sparkle to keep things visually dynamic. Remember to add transitions between images for smooth flow. Nothing serious, just something that allows the images transit smoothly into the next image. And layer in background sounds, for example, crackling fire or soft wind or rain sound. And based on this script, I'm just going to go ahead and use crackling fire to create that cozy, sleep-ready vibe. Go through your arrangement to ensure it is in proper order, and for final touch, create a black screen with crackling audio for the last few minutes. That's how you transition viewers into deep sleep mood. So let's watch our video before I go ahead to export it.
Welcome, traveler. Tonight, we drift not through wars nor kingdoms, nor great upheavals and moisture.
And this is just perfect. So let's proceed with exporting our video. Here are some bonus tips to unlock massive revenue. This channel is already making bank, but here's what they're missing. They have no affiliate links for sleep products like weighted blankets, herbal teas, mattresses, pillows. No partnership with meditation apps like Calm, Headspace. They have no Amazon book or audio recommendation to further help their viewers sleep, relax, or just educate them, inform them more about certain historical aspects. No paid membership or Patreon. Honestly, they are leaving money on the table. But you can add all this from day one. Ensure to add affiliate links with mattress companies, pillows, weighted blankets, herbal tea companies, etc. And this can earn you as much as $100 to $300 per day in passive income. App referrals can earn you as high as $2,000 in a month. Book and audio recommendations for Amazon commissions. We've got membership services with exclusive content or product recommendation services can earn you an average of $2,000 to $5,000 per month. And when you stack them up, this is how faceless channels hit $100,000 a year easily. So here is an action plan for you to follow through on. Brainstorm 10 sleepy topics. Write one script this week. Create voiceover and visuals with AI tools. Edit a 30 to 45 minutes video in CapCut. Upload, optimize, and monetize. You could be live by Sunday night. There's no excuses, just systems. If you want me to show you how to automate this entire process end to end, comment automate below in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next income strategy. The game is changing. You're early, but not for long.